This Sun Realty property video is presented by Jockey Sample. Nestled amid the unpainted aristocracy lies this Nags Head style oceanfront charmer with floor plan for today's vacationers. Wide covered decking on three sides of the home beckon to bygone days when sea breezes were the ultimate in air conditioning. The distinctive location affords inspiring water views to the east as well as Jockey's Ridge to the west. Step from the deck to take in hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings that create an open environment for all to congregate. Stylish furnishings have many configurations for small groups to gather. The convenient powder room features tasteful fish stenciling in subdued hues. The easterly alcove provides a quiet spot to read or watch kites fly across the dunes. One bedroom suite completes top level. The mid-level oceanfront king bedroom includes a private bath, and the four remaining bedrooms feature Jack and Jill accommodations. Follow the sandy trail with railing to the summit of the vegetated dune and race to the water's edge. For more information, review the details below or contact Jockey Sample at 800-801-7861.